Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here is Mandala art designs tutorial for you. You can use acrylic paint for making this beautiful art, and lots of tools are available online to make this beautiful art. Simply you are going to use different sizes of dots to make beautiful designs. So different size of tools are used to make different sizes of dots. With the little exercise, with the little repetition, you can make beautiful art by yourself. So this art can be used on many things, on mugs or any other thing of your choice. You can make different type of keychains or different kind of dishes, plates, or any kind of gift for your beloved ones. So you can also repeat 2 or 3 different and basic designs again and again to make a beautiful design. Simply there is a lot of repetition of different sizes of dots, and you can also use some strips or some kind of leaves or little branches like this design on the mug. So next again you can use different kind of stones or different kinds of hardboards or any type of canvas to make this beautiful art. Here is a beautiful heart-shaped stone. So here is a basic tutorial of mandala art over here on this heart. You can make it by yourself very easily. There is a need of care while drawing it. You have to be very careful taking the color on the tools, because if you are going to take a much amount of color on the tool, so you will not be able to make the dots properly, or there will be a flow of paint on your object on which you are drawing. So you have to be very careful while taking the colors on the tools. And here is the final look. You can also take screenshots of these final looks to make them by yourself. You can copy them and you can make beautiful designs by yourself. You can also add your own creativity. So here is a tutorial of making a keychain. So you can use many objects, many things of your choice, and you can also draw the cover of your diaries or any notebooks or any books of your choice, like storybooks and your favorite novels and any other thing. You can also draw cover of books and you can give them as a gift to your friends or your beloved ones. So here you can see that we have simply used dots of different size and we have used many colors, so it was very beautiful. So again we are painting a mug over here. So again we are using 2 or 3 basic designs, simple basic designs, and we are going to repeat them with different sizes. So majorly the dots are being used over here, and some kind of strips and lines to simply beautify it the more. So the color combination is also very important. It adds in the beauty of your art. I hope you are going to like this tutorial. You can also try on handmade cards. So a handmade card will look very beautiful with a mandala art on it. So give it a try, and I hope it will look very beautiful, and you are going to love your work, and the person to whom you are going to give that card will be very happy to receive that. So here is the final look. So don't forget to take screenshots if you want to make it by yourself. With the little exercise, you can make it very easily and speedily. So the bottom and the beginning is with the little dots, and you can keep on making the size of the dots bigger, as you can see in the tutorials. And again, I am saying that the color combination is very important. So it looks very beautiful, and you can see that we have used 2 or 3 basic patterns, and by repeating them differently, you can really come up with the beautiful and a new design. It looks so beautiful. I hope you are going to like it. So again, we are here with the keychain. And the different shades of pink and golden are used over here. So you can also add your creativity, your designs with your style. And here is the final shape. Again, we are going to draw mandala art on a mug. So here we are using golden and green color, different shades of green. Simply here is a game of dots and lines. The lines can be of different shapes. You can use straight lines, you can bend them to give them a shape of leaf, or you can give them a shape of thin petal, which we have used in the previous designs. So again, here we have also used different shapes of different lines and dots, and it is done. I hope you are going to like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.